So it's the beginning of my second full week of YouTube videos. Thanks very much to everyone who's had a go so far at the tunes I've done. I know officially now it's the Easter holidays, so probably lots of you won't be doing any homeschooling sort of things for the next couple of weeks, but I thought I'd just carry on anyway as we're at home and we can't really go anywhere else. So today's tune is going to be Peppa Pig. I hope you like it. So if you get your right hand ready on the middle C on your thumb, we're going to start off by doing 3 notes from your little finger to the middle finger down to your thumb. That's the first bit. And the next part goes D on your second finger, and then the left hand joins in down to the G down there. So far you've got, hopefully you recognise that already. And then the next part starts from that G again, and you're just going to skip a note and work your way up. Add the right hand skipping a note, another one. So it's those 4. And if you do that quickly, it's okay. So far we've got D, G, and it ends with E, C. Okay, so just one more time. So that's it. It's a nice short one today. Hopefully one you've all enjoyed. If you have liked it, then can you hit the like button? And if the subscribe button is still saying red, you can hit that and it'll go green and you'll be subscribed to the channel. If you'd like to leave a comment to say what else you'd like to have a go at playing, or if you want to tell me how you got on with playing this, that would be great. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. I'll be back again with a new one tomorrow. Bye!